Eukaryotic cells take in extracellular molecules through a process called endocytosis, in which the plasma membrane invaginates and pinches off cargo-filled vesicles. This movie shows a series of electron micrographs that have been artificially morphed to show the process of endocytosis as it may occur. The process involves a variety of molecules, including the cargo molecules that the cell takes in, the receptors that capture the cargo molecules, and molecules called adaptins that mediate contact between the receptors and the Clathrin molecules that act to shape the vesicle forming at the plasma membrane. In the electron microscope, individual Clathrin molecules can be seen as three-legged structures called triskelions. During the assembly of a Clathrin coat, the individual triskelions come together, interact through their leg domains, and ultimately form a closed cage.